Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing accounts and app updates. Sign into your primary Google account, then add or create the second Google account in Android settings. Once done, open Google Pay and tap your profile icon to switch accounts. This is how the app recognizes a second profile. Make sure Google Play Services is updated and your connection is stable so the app can sync payment profiles without error. These steps let you proceed to add or transfer payment methods next. Now, switch to the second account inside Google Pay and go to Payments or Payment Methods. Tap Add Payment Method and choose Card, Bank, or Local option. Enter details carefully and accept terms. Next, complete verification. Expect an OTP, microcharge, or KYC prompt depending on your country. You must finish verification for transactions, otherwise the method stays pending. If you use the same payment instrument on both accounts, confirm bank policies. Some banks restrict duplicate bindings between Google accounts. Finish by confirming the second account's default payment method and checking notifications for verification emails. Perform a small test purchase or send a tiny amount to validate the setup. This proves everything is linked correctly. If you hit an error, clear the Google Pay app cache, sign out and back in, and retry verification. Make sure the bank hasn't blocked multiple accounts. If problems persist, collect error screenshots and contact bank or Google support. One key tip: inconsistent account data often causes failures, so reconcile names.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.